platform. They will be launching on November 15th, so that's 9 days away. So that's good. They're in no rush. Hopefully they're building out, making sure their back end is solid, and it's not just, a waste where they have crazy errors and issues. So hopeful about that. But I'm glad they're a ways out. So that everyone can definitely have time to see how it plays out. Plus also wait for other investments to really, come to fruition and launch successfully. So they'd be able to cash out profits and try other platforms, because I know a lot of people are kind of like on edge right now, or just on low on funds, because a lot of people hit me up with that concern as well. It's like, hey man, I'm putting in so much and all these different things, I'm kind of over these platforms. So whatever that strategy is, I'm glad that it's a few days away and not right now. But I've been checking it out over the past hour or so, and I kind of like it. Give me a ETH Connect feel of just the design. Not saying they're related, I don't know that, but I'm just saying it's very clean design. I like it a lot. And of course, like I always say, design doesn't mean crap if there's no brains behind it. So definitely Ucoincash, digital cash, right? So why Ucoincash? As you can see, let's take a look at the website. So they said that they're going to be fast, which that's a given. They're on their own, they're in their own coin, so they're going to say that they are fast. They're going to have low fees, low fees is always a plus. So they have a strong server, so the privacy is important for them, as I'd hope so. So there's no major significance. There is a video here giving a great breakdown of what is Ucoincash. So right here, I definitely recommend the minute you visit the website, check that out so you can have a really good understanding of the platform. So that's a plus. So pretty much it's digital cash, like I mentioned, and you have your portable bank with you, which will be in the form of the iOS and Android app, and also they will be releasing a debit card. So that's really cool as well once that happens. So that's a good little breakdown. Let's check out the white paper. So here's their white paper. Let's check it out. So again, they talk about being a digital currency. Of course, that's their digital cash. What is Ucoincash is here. Decentralized. So this here, okay, here we go. The good information. So 31 million max coin supply, and Coinbase maturity is 50 blocks. What's the ICO amount during ICO? I don't see that. If I overlooked it or missed it, someone can let me know, but I didn't see the amount available for the ICO. Stake age, minimum is 15 days, maximum is 90 days. Outsourcing, so they're really strong on saying that they'll have low fees, transaction fees. So of course you want to transfer Ucoincash just to another person, you can do so at very minimal fees, and the transactions are super fast. And they're saying, they make this claim right here: Ucoincash is faster than Bitcoin. Our blockchain technology allows Ucoincash the capability of surpassing Bitcoin and other digital cashes when it comes to the speed of the money transaction. Right, so you don't have to wait long for your Ucoincash to show up in your account. So I guess that's a definite plus, but we will all see in due time, right? Privacy, high security, and of course the simplicity of the platform, which that is true. The dashboard, very simple, very easy to understand, and also it has a modern feel to it, which I like. It's not very complicated or all over the place. So that's definitely a plus. So they're telling you no more cash, just keep your money in currency, in their currency. You'll have your wallet, you'll be able to send funds, you can also make transactions, plus online and offline, because they'll give you access to the debit card, so you can definitely keep your funds online or in a digital space, and have access to it very quickly and at minimal fees. So that's pretty much what sets them apart, or what they say sets them apart. A lot of the platforms now are all going to have debit cards. You know what I mean? So it's not a big difference or what sets them apart. I mean, starting December, BitConnect will have their debit card, and other platforms are going to be launching their debit cards. Regal Coin's coming out with the debit card, so, and they all claim to be fast, things like that. And now I heard BitConnect will be forking as well to Regal Cash. So these cash options for these platforms, that's where they're going. So whoever it could be first, I'm assuming, will definitely kind of want to take control of that market space. So we'll see. So the whole cash idea is coming within November, December range. So being a part, I don't think would hurt of Ucoincash. I think they'll compete with like a Regal Cash and things like that. So we'll see. I'm interested in watching this process and see how they compete, because I believe that's good for us, the investors, having these different companies compete for us. So definitely being a part of a little, diversifying is good, because you'll be able to maximize your earnings for sure. All right, so your daily payments for purchasing goods and service. So yeah, debit card, mobile app, any payment could be made. The apps on your phone. So you need to send money, you can check your balances, probably do your lending, because it is a lending platform as well, and we'll get to that shortly. So what is this? All right, roadmap. So let's check out the roadmap. So November 15th is the ICO, right? And then December 15th, the Ucoin exchange. So that's great. December 20th, the lending program launches, and that's really cool. So Windows Wallet comes on Christmas, December 25th. And Coin market cap 28th. For Mac, January 5th, they will get the desktop wallet, so we can manage everything from our computers, which is cool. I like that option. And of course, after this January 10th is when they'll go on other exchanges. So definitely December 16th. So the ICO will end on December 15th. I'm not sure if there's a daily cap or anything like that. So if there's not, most likely they'll end a lot sooner. But the exchange for Ucoincash launches December 16th, and a sample of it is already live. So that's what I like. That's what kind of edged me over. So it seems as if it will be, functional. We don't have to wait a crazy amount of time in suspense. I like that a lot. So here's a good detailed roadmap. I like that. It doesn't have to be fancy, or anything like that. And of course, again, everything is a risk with these platforms, and I understand the risk, and I want to make sure you guys understand the risk as well. So here's what I was looking for. So total Ucoin is 31 million, and then the ICO is 6 million. So 6 million will be available between November 15th to December 15th. So great. I believe the starting price is 80 cents, and I'll confirm that with you shortly, but I believe it's 80 cents. So definitely how to use Ucoincash after the ICO. Okay, so after the ICO ends, an internal trading floor will be open so that you can buy and sell your ICO coins. So that's really cool. So that's what launches right after the ICO. So depending on the price, then people can or if you miss the ICO, you'll be able to buy at that point immediately after the ICO. And of course, you want to buy quick if you missed. And for those investors that did buy, you can begin trading and sell your Ucoincash for a profit. So that's a plus as well. What I recommend is, guys, if you're just buying a pump and dump and all that, just don't. You can sell some. You want to recoup your investment. Like, I'm for that. Recoup your investment, but also as the price is growing, lend. I believe that will have a good help the platform sustain long term, especially if you're trying to build wealth. Like, come on, like, be smart, think long term. So that's definitely my advice. So sell some, recoup your investment plus some profit, loan some, and also hold some, because as the platform continues to grow and sustain and last longer, what happens, the value goes up. So if you can hold some, you definitely will win. Don't sell all. Don't sell all. Hold and lend. All right. So that's important, because you want to take advantage of also the gains from the ICO stage. That's why you sell, to gain a profit. Second way to earn is from, you don't want to miss out on the daily interest. That's why as the value grow, you lend some, because you can continue to earn a daily profit. And then the third one is to hold, because once the coin value really goes to a high amount or it grows over time, you'll have all those Ucoincash coins, and then at that point you can sell, or do more loans or lend into the platform to get even, to have a higher balance that you're getting interest on, and then you have the option to compound, you know what I mean, and really grow wealth. In a year you can be well over 6 figures, in 2 years a millionaire, or less than that depending on the amount you invest and how often you compound. You can be a millionaire in a year if you invest 10, 20,000, depends on your investment. So if you hold your coins and make those investments as the coin value grow, and I can help you with all that. I have spreadsheets and different things where you can plug numbers in and see what you can earn at any amount of time, any amount of days, at a certain interest rate. So like I said, I can help you guys if your goal is to definitely grow and build wealth and utilize these platforms for your benefit. Join the group chat and hit me up in the public chat, or just send me a direct message. That's what I do, and it's been rewarding already. So if your goal, if you're new to this, or if you're seasoned and just really haven't decided, let me figure out a long-term plan or strategy, I can help you. So definitely join the group chat, and the link for Ucoincash is also in the description. So, but yeah, let's keep going. So deposit, you can earn up to 45% a month, which is like standard now. So with all these platforms, so seeing that number is like clockwork. But so yeah, they will have the lending platform, as you can see here. So yeah, and of course staking profit is follows. So January to June is 11% a month. So what that means is just holding your Ucoincash coins in the wallet, and then for the amount of coins you have there that you're not using, it's just there, you'll get this percent added for these time frames. All right, so that's a great way of earning additional coins. So of course mining is available. UCH exchange, so you can trade and make profits on the Ucoin exchange right after the ICO, like I mentioned. All right, so you can buy and sell at that point. So you can also trade through our partner floors. The partner floors will be introduced after the ICO, so that's interesting to learn more about that. So you're gonna have power partner floors. So invest in social media like Facebook, Twitter, Ucoin value building. So okay, so yeah, so they'll be giving I guess bonuses away. Ucoincash team, on behalf of Ucoincash, we thank you. So development teams there, management team, consultant team, and third parties. Yeah, I don't want to bore you with this information, but yeah, that's the white paper. It's not, I guess it gets to the point. It gets to the point. Here you guys can review more. So this is how the dashboard, the back end looks. Okay, so very simple. So you have your referral link. You see your BTC value, your Ethereum value, of course your Ucoincash coins amount here as well. So that's pretty cool. And of course your USD value. USD will show, from your profits from lending and things like that. So that's pretty cool. So ICO, wallet, exchange. Yeah, check a look at the exchange. So this is how the exchange will look, and then of course the exchange launches in 40 days. So I'm guessing these are just sample transactions to show you. So you have your buy and sell over here, and of course you can check the rates as they go. So that's pretty cool. Not bad at all. So right now, of course, you see it's 0, but starting when the lending platform starts, it'll be at 80 cents. So I was correct, 80 cents here. So one Ucoincash is it's 80 cents right now. So as you can see over time, you can see the value 82, 85, 88, and once it gets towards the November 15th, it'll be at $1.20. All right, so definitely you'll be in profit already once you start at the 80 cents. And of course now on the 16th when they launch, or it was at the 20th when they launched the exchange. I think the 16th they launched the exchange, and then the lending platform comes on the 20th, I believe. So definitely, there'll be a spike here. Definitely depending on demand. So definitely you want to get as many coins as you can from the ICO earlier would be best here. Okay, So I like this platform a lot, and I hope there's no issues with the back end, because there's other platforms that I recommended. It's just buggy. Like ETHConnect, I'm not going to no longer invest. I told you guys in my other video that it is super high risk. Do not invest. Like I said that plain as day, do not invest in ETHConnect. I would be investing, but it was just a straight gamble. And like I said in my other video, I didn't expect them to even go anywhere. And if they do, it would just be to prove those people wrong. So I have not been able to invest yet. I believe I shouldn't have to chase you with my money, because the platform hasn't worked at all. So I'm not going to chase you trying to fight my way in to give you my money. There's no way that's going to happen. So if I go in there and it's not working, bye. I keep my coins. I'll keep my Bitcoins to myself. So I'm not going to fight myself. And I don't recommend people like going through like they're fighting. Oh, I need ETHConnect. No, if the platform's not working, that should be a big red flag. Because what's going to happen after the ICO? They're still not going to work. And when they're going to give you maintenance, stuff. I'm not saying don't invest, because like I said, definitely invest if you're a gambler, if you want to take the risk. I was also going to be that gambler, but I'm not going to chase you to try to put my money in either. So for as of now, I'm no longer, not even going to gamble on ETHConnect. I'm just forget about it. So, but of course, you guys can do what you want. It's definitely your money, and it's your, you're taking the risk. So definitely thread accordingly, or move or do what exactly how you feel. So yeah, Ucoincash, I like it. We'll see how they perform in a few days. We'll see. In 9 days, we'll see their launch and how successful, if there's issues at all, and I'll watch it, and if there's any updates, I'll definitely share that with you guys. So again, the link is in the description. Definitely give them a shot. Sign up. If you're not going to invest, sign up at least, and check out the dashboard, check out the video, see how you like it. It's good to definitely see for yourself, not just through these videos, but get a feel of it, read through the information.